Hello guys, welcome to SkillWeb. Today in this video I will show you how to create a column in Google Sheets. So let's start the video. First, open your spreadsheet that contains your column you want to create. Now click on the column you want to create. Then after, go to the view menu at the top of your screen. In the view menu, select Page over here and then choose one column. The selected column will now stay in view as you scroll. Now scroll to see it in action. As you see, the frozen column remains visible. It's a great way to keep key data always inside. That's for today. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.